If your pool heater is not heating the water like it's supposed to, you're probably feeling super frustrated and wondering what's up. First off, check your thermostat settings to make sure it's actually set to heat the water and not just sitting there on the wrong mode. Next, take a look at the heater elements, because sometimes they get worn out or even burn out and need replacement. Cleaning the heat exchanger is a must too, since buildup can block heat transfer and make the heater work way harder than it should. Don't forget to verify your gas supply or electrical connections. If there's a weak gas flow or loose wiring, your heater won't fire up properly. Also, make sure your pool pump is running because the water needs to flow through the heater for it to warm up. If your heater has a pilot light, see if it's still lit, because no flame means no heat. Sometimes, simply resetting the heater by turning it off and back on can fix glitches. Lastly, regular maintenance helps avoid these headaches, so keep a schedule for checking all these parts. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their pool heater is not heating water is ignoring clogged filters or dirty heat exchangers, which blocks proper heat transfer. Fix this by cleaning or replacing those parts regularly. Another common problem is misconfigured thermostat settings, where folks accidentally set the temperature too low or leave the mode on off. Double-check those controls to keep things right. Lastly, gas supply or electrical connection issues are often overlooked. If your heater isn't getting enough fuel or power, it won't work properly. Call a pro if you're unsure about handling those safely. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors without all the hassle, making big repairs way less stressful. Plus, it gives contractors a solid platform to connect with people who actually need their skills, which is a win-win for everyone.